Welcome to
Hi.
Sabrina's Beauty Channel. This is Babaji Day, and I will be doing the voiceover for our makeup today.
Hi, I'm here too.
I don't know why you're shouting now. So anyway, so we'll be doing the priming something. So now she's rubbing something like, I think Vaseline or something.
No, not Vaseline.
Is what?
It's face primer.
Oh, I see. She wants to prime her face. That's cool. I like that. And she's rubbing all over the place, all over her face. Now I don't know what she's doing. And
This is to make the makeup last long.
now she's carrying something like cream or chocolate or foundation. Is that foundation or what was that?
Yeah, that's foundation.
Oh, I got that. I like that. Now she's rubbing the thing on her face just to make it more fair or something. Now, wow. No, she don't change though. Wow. I think I need to learn this. I need to learn makeup, man.
So next thing is
Now she's putting the concealer.
who taught you that one?
I've been watching a lot of YouTube channels.
Yeah,
I've becoming out. Now she's putting on her left side. Concealer. Now she's rubbing it all over the place. Now she's looking at the camera. Now she rubbed on her chin. Festival style. And they've done Lagos Festival last month. I don't know why she doesn't know this one now. Okay, it's all good. Now she's rubbing it on her face to bring out the color. And put it on the bridge of her nose. But she don't transform so fast. Now she's putting something on the camera. I don't know if it's Maybelline or Mary Kay I'm seeing there.
Maybelline.
Maybelline. I
For
like
the
that.
contour of my
I think I'll name my child that. Maybelline. Hey, Maybelline. And she's rubbing it on her face. She's punching to the right. I don't know what she's doing. She's rubbing it all over her forehead, rubbing it on her face. Have you guys seen the transformation from a dark-skinned girl to a light-skinned girl? Wow. This is the world of makeup, guys. Amazing, isn't it?
I'm still my color.
Now she wants to put the something spray to prevent sweats from coming out of the pores or something. It's all good. Now she's dancing. I like that. I like when people are happy. It's cool. Now she's dancing. Let's go. Yeah. What's this? Festival period or what that? Festival book. I like that.
It's not a book, it's a eyeshadow palette.
Oh, there's a palette. I see different colors. So she wants to use brown to use on an eyelid. She's gonna apply it on her eyelid to bring out the color. I like that.
You like that?
I like that. I just came back from Dublin last week, so
What? Yeah, that's true.
now she's rubbing it so you can see the brown coming out. It's cool, right? Now she's gonna put it on the. She's going to apply it to both sides. Now she's rub it on. Now she's gonna put it on the right side too, to bring out the brown side. No, can't go right in it. I love this one, guys.
You have to apply very well and make sure it blends.
I like that. She's dancing to the tune. She's dancing. Yeah. Come on. You see, when you're doing makeup, you have to be happy. It's something fun. So I like the way she dances. Now she's about to rub on gel eyeliner, TYA, something, 24 hours. Just gonna rub it on the eyelid.
I'm just lining my eyes with that black eyeliner.
Just to bring out the shades. You guys should always watch our channel. It's cool, it's fun. You learn a lot. I knew nothing about makeup till I watched the channel one day and I knew most of these words, concealer, foundation and all. I learned it
You've been on my channel before now, tell them.
I learned it through our channel. I've been on our channel previously where I did a makeup. Oh, it was so great. You guys can watch that.
Go and watch that video where DJ did my makeup. He did
perfectly. 10 over 10. It's not easy as a guy. It's cool, man.
Let them go and watch and
judge
for themselves.
Just bam. You guys you won't be disappointed, really.
I'm going to leave the link to that video so that you can watch it and see where he did my makeup.
Yeah, JD does my makeup. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, anyway, back to the main video for today. Now she's about to rub a mascara, volumizing. I like that. I like the word of that. She's going to rub it on her eyelid.
Eyelid or eyelashes?
Eyelashes. Where do I mix this up? Oh, I mixed that up. I'm so sorry for that, guys. Now she's about to rub with pencil on the lips.
Brown pencil, just lining my lip with that before I
Lip
apply.
liner.
Good.
You see, I learned a lot. That's good. That's good.
You have to make up your profession.
I'm a career person, so.
What do you mean by that?
That's for another day. That's for another day. So she's rubbing something pink. That's the pink lipstick. Now she's smacking so you can blend. I like when girls smack really.
So lipstick can blend in.
To make it more good.
Well.
I wonder who invented this smacking though. But it's cool.
Nobody has to invent. It's not everything everybody invents.
Do you guys notice something? Our fingernails and our lips are the same color. Isn't that great?
That's great. Oh, me, I didn't even notice so.
Congrats.
Some
Now you do.
powder on my face, all over my face, all over. I think that's what a song.
I don't even know that song. I'm not Nigerian based though. I listen to foreign music,
Listen to Lil Wayne.
so I don't really know much about our song here. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry.
Anyway, so just applying to make sure the face is, smooth and in good condition.
Yeah, now she's putting more shine, making it on her cheekbone.
It's not shine, it's glow.
Oh, sorry, glow. I'm so sorry. I don't know.
What's shine?
I don't know all these makeup
terminology.
Yeah, I don't know that. I thought it was shine, not knowing that it was glow. Can't you see things glowing already? She's making it more beautiful, more pretty, more cute.
Glowing for
She's actually a fine girl though, but she's now more prettier. That's why the word was invented anyway. More prettier.
We're not here to learn English.
I see. Now I think she's dusting off to make everything blend, to make the color come out, and isn't she beautiful?
Finishing touches.
So always remember to do one last thing. Now she wants to put the thing on her eye tear breaker or something.
Tear duct.
Oh, sorry, tear duct, just to make it pop. Okay,
just
so
open up my eyes a bit more.
So it's looking more like an angel. Anyway, guys, don't always forget to always put spray or something to make sure that you don't sweat it off, so your money won't go wasted. Yeah.
It just keeps well, you're right. It just keeps the makeup in place till you're ready to take it off.
Well, guys, this is the end of today's makeup. We thank you for watching. Take your time subscribing. Always click on the subscribe button to see more of our videos. She's good. That I won't lie. She's very good. Let's look at what she did within 8 minutes.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you. Say bye.
We love you guys. Thank you.